Hey, 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 everybody. Thank you for tuning in. We are on the finals of the Dash for Cash down at Butterfly Farm. I finally said it right. I had to pause there to make sure that I got it right. Let's say it again, Butterfly Farm. Yeah, at the Indy 800. This wasn't what I wanted for the finals. Still starting off in second. I was hoping for a second place on the podium. I was third fastest, so ideally the result probably would have been third place, but I was going to fight very hard for that second place. Unfortunately, I did get taken out on the first corner. Very not happy about it, but I do want to say, please, I don't want to see any comments of backlashing from this driver. I don't want to see any negative comments because this driver is a P-plater. He was very fast, but you could see on the track he was less experienced and less mature as some of the other drivers on the track. In saying that, he does have a lot to learn, and he will grow and he will become a very talented driver in the future. But we come to the start here, and very first corner, you see that he does lose control of the kart and take me out. I'm going to go into a slow motion here. Try to slow mo it down as much as I could. I didn't get a great start, so I was behind first place, but I did leave enough space. He did clip the curb, lost control of the kart, and it came into my kart, and then obviously the tires, just as though in rotation, went up the rear of my kart, spun over, just missing my engine and missing myself, but clipping my knee, the rear tire clipping my knee and banging it into the steering column, and obviously causing the his kart to lift up a bit, going over the top of my Nasu panel, then coming back down and taking off the front bumper. So obviously I don't have the front bumper. The kart was a little bit damaged. Yeah, not happy that I lost the podium and potentially winning money. On top of that, I had to repair the kart, causing about $400 of damage. Quick video. Yeah, it is what it is. It's racing. I didn't want to get angry at the kid because he is new. He will learn, and he will grow from this. So just a quick one. Was going to go up to Port Macquarie, but didn't end up going. So my next race will be Eastern Creek. Will be Cameron Park. Thank you for tuning. Please like and subscribe and get ready for the next video. Thank you.